Here we got Misuse. What an idiot. Right, let's see if we can catch some more. But it'd be a bit extreme if there was any more Misuse, to be perfectly honest with you. Well, one word in other words, pillock. Sorry, I couldn't zoom in on time. It's just that they went off a bit unexpectedly, but we did get a Misuse, which is quite good, I guess. 2:41 on Sunday, Saturday the 3rd of March, sorry. This is C1 Alpha, 34. And then we've got another train, I think. No, we haven't. 2 Bravo 19 has just gone through Sandal and Agabrig. But yeah, we've finally caught a pillock. Don't worry about that. I'm going to get to proper bit of the station now and just zoom out because of this way, so I can actually get the train in good focus. I'm actually quite surprised we went down as early as what we did, to say it's not even at Addict yet. So we might even stay for 2 trains, because I thought that, it wouldn't have stayed this early, but we did. Like I said, we did get a Misuse. It wasn't as bad as the one that Adam caught. Well, Adam, I think Matthew, yeah. MA Productions and Adam Richardson caught a Misuse where a car actually started swerving around the barriers. At first, it had just gone down by about 4 seconds, and then he just came out of nowhere and swerved. Oh, there it is. It's down there. I don't know where it got the fast train from. I can't see any fast trains. Oh no, this is a fast train actually. It looks like an East Midlands front. It's going quite slow. Yeah, it's an East Midlands. We've got to have it. We need a tone. Please. 43076. 89. Bentley goes up. It was faster than what I expected.